joining me. This is Scott Deal, and I'm going to go ahead and walk you through some of the recent deployments that we've had for WBQuote Lite. We've added some new automation functionality that I'll display today, as well as some fit and finish that we think will make the quoting process much more efficient. Nothing has changed about the initial flow and about adding our first package, so I'll breeze through that now. This is the screen on which you'll see the most significant changes in the new quoting platform. However, you won't see them until you get completed through adding your first package. So I'm going to go ahead and add in a current package. So as you can see, we've created a much more WBQuote-like experience on this page by adding in the packages, showing you the plans that were selected, but we've added some new dimensions. We've given you the ability to not only view, but edit the contribution on a single screen. You can also view and edit the plan assignments on this screen as well. We've also created some additional opportunity here for automation. So you can come here and you can create off of the More menu in the package. You can either edit the package, which means it takes you back into that manual flow that you just walked through, or you can create a renewal package. It'll automatically go and fetch the comparable plans, apply them, apply the plan assignments, and apply the contribution scenario from your current. You can then use either of these packages to create comparable packages of plans with any of our quoted carriers. So I'm going to use the renewal, and I'm going to go ahead and select Blue Shield and Anthem. You can select as many carriers as you'd like. When they pop on the screen, you get a good sense about whether or not you found something that you can sell, but you can always go through and make adjustments. There are more menus on each of the plans. And let's just say you didn't like the way that this plan in particular compared with the Silver 50 on the source. You can swap that plan for any other plan that those 6 employees would be eligible to enroll in. So I can take it and I can take it to the Silver 55 2250 if I'd like to, or any of these other plans very quickly and easily. If there are bigger issues with the package, you can always go back into the main package flow and make edits by clicking the More menu and clicking Edit Package. Or you can just click Add New Plan, and the two will route you the same way. So it looks like I've got some pretty nicely comparable plans, but I can't be assured of that without really doing a deep and thorough review of the benefits. In the More menu, for any of the plans, again, you have the ability to compare plans. This will take the row of plans that you are selecting from, and it will place them side by side. It harkens back to the compare feature on WBQuote. I can then change my basis for comparison to any of the plans that are on display. I can also use this drop-down to adjust the plans that are displayed. You can export this information and include or exclude group rates in Excel or PDF. You can also copy plans. Oftentimes we see this useful when you have 2 plans that are rolling into a single plan with another carrier. In order to maintain the plan alignment, especially for when you get into the output, and you'll see what that does when we get there in just a moment, it's really important for you to keep plan alignment consistent. So if you have 5 plans in one package, you should try and have 5 plans in the other, even if one of those plans turns out to be a copy of a plan. A copy just means a placeholder so that you can keep this plan alignment. Plan alignment is also very important when you click the View Plan Assignments. Here too, we've recreated some of the WBQuote goodness, where you can come in and you can see all of the plan assignments that are applied across all of the packages, and you can make adjustments. So let's just say I wanted to change this person to the Gold 30. It will flow all the way across to the right-hand side of the screen, so I only need to change the leftmost package. Now I can change any other package individually, so if I need to make adjustments to one of these other 3 packages, I can do that without affecting any of the others. It's just the leftmost that drives. And after I save my changes, all of the updates have been applied to my packages, and I can see what the end results are going to look like. By the way, quick note, we have added also this feedback opportunity for you. Once you're done creating your packages, the next step is to either proceed on to Dental Vision and Life, which you can also add in this system, or you can go into the output. I have by default the display that shows the plans, the enrollments in the plan, and the cost breakdown, but I have the opportunity in the display options up here to quote the package details. The package details flips the display to show every employee and their individual cost and cost breakdown based on their plan assignment. This does, by the way, come in the output in both formats if you select it. You can also, of course, do all of the normal functionality that you were able to do here before, including rearrange your packages, change how you're looking at the percent differences and dollar differences, and incorporate or exclude any kind of product line that's been added. On the plans, the other significant update that we've made is to reorder the plans automatically. Now the plans fall current, renewal, and comparable based on my alignment by row. And I can immediately see where those plans differentiate because we've highlighted the benefit differences for you. You can export this through our new export feature. We've now given you a little bit more control over which pages are included in your export, as well as your ability to request additional quote output, apply colors that are consistent with your agency branding. You'll need to apply those colors once, by the way. Here again, you have the ability to change the way we display cost differences, whether you want to see them annual or monthly. You can change the pay period. You can exclude dental, vision, and life or medical, as the case may be, and you can choose to include or exclude dependents. We have different output options. These have all been available heretofore. The Excel is new. It is a part of the WBQuote Lite platform. We do have our traditional Excel that many of you might be used to receiving from WBQuote. It is still available in the request section. If you request this Excel, you're going to get 2 worksheets. One is our consolidated benefits and rates, and the other is rate tables for every plan that gets quoted. You do also, of course, have landscape and PowerPoint options. When you export your quote, you'll see those highlighted benefit differences come up. So here's the package detail. It shows you every employee. It also shows you the percent difference for the employee across every other package than the current, all compared to current. So you can immediately see when you're going to have a couple of unhappy campers with their rate increases. And you'll immediately see that you're satisfying the leader. And this is where they'll see the side-by-side for the benefits with the highlights that I've applied that are red, that they really need to pay attention to. And of course, you can really turn this into a beautiful presentation for them. That does it for the updates for today. I hope you found something that will help you make your process better, stronger, faster, and easier. We'll look forward to additional enhancements coming soon to WBQuote Lite. Thank you for your time.